Yo, what is up, guys? So, when you're doing your search-based YouTube automation business, the whole goal of doing search-based YouTube automation is to kind of save time every single day, so that you don't have to create videos, you don't have to really spend much time on the business at all. Like a good amount of time to spend on an online business per day is roughly between 1 and 3 hours every single day. And if you can stick to 1 or 3 hours instead of 5, 8 hours per day in the business, you're going to have a longevity in your business. You're not going to burn out, and your results will be even more. Okay, because you'll have more energy to actually put into the business every single day. Just block out that 1 to 3 hour time period and you'll be good to go. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you the workflow that I follow so that I don't spend more than 1 to 3 hours per day on my search-based YouTube automation business. Okay, so this is my search-based YouTube automation workflow, and every single morning my channels, okay, they start off with the team. Okay, this is a 4-step process right here. So if I show you, it starts off with the team, and then we get the workflow, and then the research, and then the uploads. But I'll just share with you quickly what we do with the team. So every single morning, you want to be communicating with your team, and you chat in the morning, and what you do is you see if they are able to work for that particular day. So you double check that, because sometimes they might have to go away or they get sick. So you just want to confirm with your team members that they actually can work on your search-based channel for that specific day. So if it's the 10th of June, you want to make sure they can work on the 10th of June. And then you just want to confirm the topics, okay? Confirm all the topics that they're going to be creating for you that day, whether that be 10 videos, 5 videos, or 15 videos. You want to confirm every single topic that they're going to make for you that day. And the reason that you do that is, and you do this in the morning, okay? So the reason you confirm the topics is so that you can get the thumbnails made in a timely manner, okay? So when it comes to the thumbnails, you can either get them all created in one single batch and pay for that one batch to get created. But sometimes what I find, when you create all the videos, thumbnails in one batch, sometimes you switch out the topics, you delete some video topics, and then you've wasted money creating thumbnails. So confirming them for the day, and then your thumbnail creator creates the thumbnails on that day and then sends them to you or your manager, okay? And then it comes down to the workflow of your whole entire business. So that means your organization. So the way that I organize my search-based YouTube automation business is with Trello, okay? You can see this is Trello. You can download this for free, and basically what you can do is you can put like notes. You can put your master topic list, all your topics you're gonna create, and then you just create this board, and your freelancer has access to it, and they can organize all the topics in there. So what you do, if you haven't done this at the beginning of the week, you want to update your Trello, and then you want to confirm the topics are in the right position. Okay, so if you see on Trello, it says, if I scroll to the right, you can see here to record. Make sure all the topics for that day is on to record, and then the freelancer will move it to edit, and then to edited, and then published. Okay, so that's the workflow. You want to confirm all of that. And then what you want to do is you want to communicate this, make sure that they've seen the Trello board, make sure they've seen all the updates if you've made updates to the Trello board, and then you're good to go to confirm the topic. So that takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on what you have to do in that. So communicating with the team. Okay, sometimes you can chat a little bit longer than expected, but that's fine. And then checking the workflow, that's between, okay, those two are between 30 minutes and 1 hour. So then you go about your day, and maybe you have lunch or something like that, and you come back to your laptop, and then you start working on research. Now for me, personally, I don't outsource my keyword research. Okay, what I do is I do all my keyword research by myself. So that way, because I have 6.5 years of experience doing topic research, so that means I can find the best possible topics to actually upload onto my channel every single day. And when you outsource your topic research, they sometimes use AI tools, or they just come up with really, really bad topics. Before, I've tried to outsource topic research and it just didn't get results. Okay, so I know when I do my topic research, I can estimate roughly how many views I'm going to get per like 1,000 or 500 videos that I upload. So then I set aside like 1 hour to do topic research, and I use a couple methods to be able to do my topic research. Okay, I do the search bar method. You're all familiar, I'm sure, with the search bar method, where you take video topics, you type that into the search bar, you create an action verb, and then you put the alphabet to come up with different video topic ideas. Then you can get video topic ideas from competitors. So you can go to competitor channels, see what their popular videos are, and then you can actually make those videos if they don't have that much competition. And then you can use things like Claude and ChatGPT, Gemini, to actually help you with your keyword research, come up with action verbs, come up with video topics that you can validate using the search bar method. And those are a few things that you can do with your topic research. So just sit in front of the laptop and I dedicate about 1 hour to do topic research. And in that 1 hour, I can roughly get between 10 and 15 keywords that I can upload onto my channel for the coming week. Okay, so I don't like sit for like 8 hours and do topic research one day of the week. I just spread it out throughout the whole week, every single day, so that I have fresh topics, and that's the best workflow that's worked for me. So right now, what we've done throughout the day is we've communicated effectively with our team. We've managed the workflow correctly in Trello. We've done keyword research, and that takes you to like 3 to 4 p.m., sometimes 5 p.m. And then all you do is you sit back, because you're doing search-based YouTube automation, you're outsourcing. You have to wait for the video creator to create the videos. You have to wait for the thumbnail designer to create the thumbnails. And when you've got everything together, then it comes down to uploading. Okay, so you can either do this in two ways: do it yourself and save a little bit of money, or hand it off to a channel manager. Okay, so if you do it yourself, it's going to take you like maybe, depending on your upload volume, maybe an additional 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour to upload the videos. And if you do let the manager do it for you, then that's completely hands off, and you've then saved that time. So that's the whole entire workflow. And this whole workflow takes 1 to 3 hours per day to complete. And then you've successfully managed your channel for the whole day. So you don't have to spend all day on YouTube search-based automation. It can be done in as little as 1 to 3 hours per day. I would say 1 hour is like the minimum. Typically, it's going to take you 2 to 3 hours per day to manage one of your search-based YouTube automation channels. Okay, so that's the workflow that I follow, and it saves me tens of hours every single week. Okay, you can take a screenshot of that if you want. And if you want to learn my whole entire search-based YouTube automation system with a course and live weekly calls, call recordings, and direct DM support with me, you can click the first link in the video description. That's going to take you to my community. And you can see here, if I go to the Classroom tab, we have the Search Mastery course, where you can get all these lessons that will teach you the exact strategy, how to start and grow a search-based YouTube automation channel to 1 million views a month. Then if I go back to the classroom, you can see we have weekly call recordings, and we're going to be doing these every single Saturday for about 1 hour each call. So you can get all your questions answered and learn something about search-based YouTube automation. Okay, you can see that they are happening in 4 days. So you can get all of this for just $7 per month, and there is a 7 days free trial. So click the first link in the video description or pinned comment, and I hope to see you on the inside.